Very good morning, students. I hope you all are well. Yes. So, chapter 5, multiples and factors is going on, and today's topic is, as I discussed in your class, that this topic is not mentioned in your book, but it's very important topic. So, whatever today I'm going to show in the video, I'm going to teach you in the video. You have to do the all work fair in your maths fair notebook. Yes, you have to write, you have to note it down, all the things, all the rules in your maths notebook. Okay, so our topic is divisibility rules. Yes, so today we will learn some divisibility rules. So let's start with the 2. What is the rule for 2? What is the divisibility rule for 2? Divisibility rule for 2 means which number should be completely divisible by 2. It means there should be no remainder. If I am talking about 24, so if I am dividing this 24, so there should be no remainder. So it means it is divisible by 2. Okay, so there are few particular rules for every number. So let's start. So first rule, we are going to start with 2. What is the divisibility rule for 2? A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so what is the rule of 2? Any number is completely divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So for example, if I am taking this number 24. So what is the last digit here? This one. This is the last digit. So we will check this last digit. If this digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it means this number is completely divisible by 2. So here we have 4, it means it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means when you will divide 24 by 2, there will be no remainder. Yes, there will be no remainder. For example, I am explaining you. See here, 2 ones are 2. Now I am taking 4, 2 twos are 4. No remainder. See here, if I am dividing this 24 by 2, so there is no remainder. It means the 24 is completely divisible by 2. But every time you no need to see, you no need to check with division. You have to just know the rule of 2. What is the rule of 2? So the last digit of the number should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the last digit of this number is related to these number, it means it is divisible by 2. So let's check 24. The last digit is 4. So it is divisible by 2. Now let's check the next number. The last digit is 9. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It is not coming here. Yes, these all are even numbers. See here, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 9 is not even number. So it will not completely divisible by 2. Yes. Now 503. What is the last digit? 3. 3 is also odd number, means 3 is not coming from here. So it is also not divisible by 2. Now let's see what is the last digit. 6. Even number. Yes, 6 is the even number. These all are even number. 6. So it means it is divisible by 2. So this is the method for 2. Now let's see the next method for the 3. What is the rule for 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the numbers is divisible by 3. So to understand this, let's take an example. If I am taking 111. Yes. So how we will check that 111 is divisible by 3 or not? So to check this, what we will do? We'll add all the digits. What are the numbers here? 111 is here. So I am adding them. 1, 1, 1. So what I am getting? 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 comes in 3 table. It means 111 is also completely divisible by 3. Clear? So now if I am checking 522 is divisible by 3 or not. So what we will do? First we'll add all the digits. What digits we have here? What number? 522. 5 plus 2 plus 2. Yes? I am adding these numbers. So what is the 9? So 9 comes in 3 tables. Yes? 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is comes in 3 table. So it means the 522 is also divisible by 3. Clear? Very simple. Yes? Now see here 713. Let's check it. Is it divisible by 3 or not? So what we will do? We'll add all the digits. 7 plus 1 plus 3. 7 plus 1 plus 3. So you will get 11. So 11 will not come in 3 table. So it means this is not divisible by 3. Clear? Is it clear now? These are the rule for 2 and 3. So now let's see the rule for the 4 and 5. So now next rule for 4 and 5. So what is the divisible rule for 4? So a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number are divisible by 4. So to check the number is divisible by 4, what we have to do? We have to just check the last two digits. Yes, whatever the number is there, maybe 6 digit number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number. What you have to do? You have to check only the last two digits. If these last two digits are divisible by 4, means if they are completely divisible by 4, it means the whole number is divisible by 4. If these digits are not divisible by 4, so it means the whole number is not divisible by 4. So what is the last two digit here? 45. So 45 is not divisible by 4. Yes, there will be remainder there. So it's not completely divisible by 4. So this number is also 945 is not divisible by 4. Now let's take the next number 736. So let's take the last two digits 36. So 36 comes in 4 table. Yes. So it means the 736 is completely divisible by 4. Yes. Now let's see the next number. Last two digit is 16. So 16 comes in 4 table. Yes. So it means 116 is also divisible by 4. Now 481. So 81 is not divisible by 4. Yes. If you will divide 81, so there will some remainder there. Yes. So it means it is not completely divisible by 4. Clear? Is it clear now? What is the rule for 4? We have to just check the last two digit of number. Yes, here we have 3 digit number. If I am writing here this bigger number, this time also we have to check the last two digit only. Yes, if these two digits are completely divisible by 4, then this means the whole number is divisible by 4. If these digits are not divisible by 4, last two digit, it means the complete number is not divisible by 4. So we have to check only the last two digit. Yes. Now what is the rule for 5? A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of the number is 0 or 5. So now this time we have to check only the last digit. Like we are checking in division method of 2. We are checking the last digit. If the even number, then it means it was divisible by 2. So in 5 also we are checking the last digit only. What is the last digit? It is the simplest method. The 5 has the simplest rule of divisibility. So it can be 0 if it is 0 or 5. Yes, it means the number is divisible by 5. So I am checking the last digit of 65. What is the last digit? 5. So 5 is coming here. It means it is divisible by 5. Now what is the last digit here? 0. It means the 70 is divisible by 5. What is the last digit? 9. Yes. So it is not divisible by 5. Because the last digit should be 0 or 5. Yes, it can be 0 here, it can be 5 here. But if not 0, not 5, it means it is not divisible by 5. So now 765, last digit is 5. It means the whole number is divisible by 5. Clear? So what is the divisibility rule of 5? We have to check the last digit only. If the last digit is 0 or 5. Okay. It can be 0 or it can be 5. It means the whole number is divisible by 5. But if it is not 0 or not 5, it means the whole number is not divisible by 5. Clear? So now let's see the next rule. So let's see the divisibility rule of 6. What is the rule of 6? A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Clear? If any number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it means that number is also divisible by 6. If I am talking about the factors, if I am saying if any number has the factor of 2 and 3, so by default it has a factor of 6 also. Yes? So let's take an example. 708. Now we have to check that the 708 is divisible by 6 or not. So what is the rule of divisible by 6? That we have to check this number should be divisible by 2 also and divisible by 3 also. Let's find out. So what is the rule of divisible by 2? So last digit should be even number 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Any one number. So last digit we have 8. It means it is divisible by 2. Yes, this is divisible by 2. Now let's check this number is divisible by 3 or not. So what is the rule for 3? We have to add all the digits. 7 plus 0 plus 8. So you will get 15. So 15 comes in 3 table. It means the whole number 708 is divisible by 3 also. So this number is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. So it will be divisible by 6 also. Clear? So now let's check for the second number 752. Is it divisible by 6 or not? So first let's check it is divisible by 2 or not. Yes. So the last digit is 2. So this is divisible by 2. 752 is divisible by 2. Now we have to check for the 3 also. So let's check for the 3. So 7 plus 5 plus 2. So you will get 14. Yes. So 14 is not divisible by 3. 14 not comes in 3 table. So it means it is not following the rule for 6, because what is the rule for 6? The number should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also. It means the number is divisible by 6 also. But this number is only divisible by 2, not divisible by 3. So it means this number is not divisible by 6 also. Clear? So what is the rule for 6? We have to check the number should be divisible by 2 also and by 3 also. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, it means the number is also divisible by 6. Clear? So now let's see the next rule. So next is the divisible rule for 9 and 10. Okay, these are the last two rules we will learn in this class only. So 9 and 10. What is the divisible rule of 9? A number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Like 3. Yes, in 3 what we are doing? If the sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3. The same manner, if the sum of the number is divisible by 9, it means this number is also divisible by 9. So let's do the one example. 451. So we have to check is it divisible by 9 or not. So what we'll do? Let's do the sum of the number. 4 plus 5 plus 1. So you will get 10. So 10 is not comes in 9 table. 10 is not divisible by 9. So it means 451 is not divisible by 9. So now let's check the 324. 3 plus 2 plus 4. You will get 9. Yes. So 9 comes in 9 table. So it means 324 is divisible by 9. Clear? How it is? We have to just add the digits. Whatever digits are there, 324. So we have to add 3 plus 2 plus 4. So 3 plus 2 plus 4, you will get 9. So 9 comes in 9 table. It means this whole number is divisible by 9. Clear? This is the rule for 9 like 3. So now what the last rule we are learning here? Divisible rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit of the number is 0. Very simple. We have to check only the last digit. What is the last digit? 9. It means it is not divisible by 10. What is the last digit? 0. It means it is divisible by 10. What is the last digit? 5. It is not 0. It means it is not divisible by 10. What is the last digit? 0. It means it is divisible by 10. What is the last digit? 0. This means the 660 is divisible by 10. Clear? So these are the few important divisibility rule for you. So I hope these rules will help you in factors chapter. That's why I have taught you this one. So bye bye to you all. Take care of yourself. You have to fear in your notebook all the rules you have to write. You have to note it down in your maths notebook. So bye bye to you all. Take care of yourself.